Hi guys, today I'm going to be playing a Pixar short and I'm going to be narrating the different plot features throughout the video. So, let's hope this works. Okay, there's our protagonist, that nasty little bird, and all his nasty little bird friends. There's just a group of protagonists. Now, even though they're a ton of bad guys, they're still the protagonists because the story is told from their perspective, and they're the ones who have a problem. And there's the problem. He's our antagonist because he wants to go sit with them and they don't want him to. So, the way they go about resolving that is to move. And that's our first complication because it's not going to work. Because Dorky Bird is going to fly over and sit right between them. And now we have another complication. Because he's pulled them all in together, they're even more closer to them and they're even more uncomfortable. And now, they're gonna try to get rid of him by picking at his toes. Which leads to another complication. Finally leading to the climax, the most exciting part. Because now we know they're in trouble if he falls off the wire. Now, wait for it. Wait for it. Oh, now they get it. And that's the climax, with them getting shot off the wire. So now we're just waiting for the resolution. How does it all end? Well, our nasty little protagonist falls to the ground. And he and his nasty little buddies fail to achieve their goal of getting rid of the big dorky bird. I hope it was fun teaching you these plot features, so let's end the video.